What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this refreshing, colorful noodle salad. Cut up some red bell peppers or whatever color you want, but I think red pairs way better with the Asian flavors. Next, you're going to heat up some vermicelli noodles according to the package. Rinse under cold water and let them sit. For our dressing, we're going to need rice vinegar, rice wine, soy sauce, maple syrup, sesame seeds, hot chili oil, and a little bit of lime. Mix it all together. For our salad bowl, we will start off with the noodles. Then I'm adding in our bell peppers, some shredded carrots, shredded lettuce, and some avocado. Pour your dressing on top and enjoy. This is really simple. It's packed with fresh veggies to keep you energized all day long, but it's still super filling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more recipes every week.